welcome back to Life with Ebby, and I'm here today to do a mukbang video. So it's really bright, like it's. I know it looks a little bit different because I have a ring right now. So what we're gonna do is we are going to be eating some hibachi. So we went to Hibachi today, and hibachi is like, I love hibachi. No, thank you. I don't want anything. That's my husband talking. So I love hibachi because they have the, what I call the sweet rice and the noodles, and they have the vegetables, which I don't eat. I never get the vegetables when we do hibachi. My husband, he'd be like, well, get the vegetables and give them to me. Which I said this year I was gonna start eating more vegetables. But I did eat a piece of broccoli, so there you go. Baby steps, y'all. Baby steps. So this is what I have. Like, they give you so much, even though we went for lunch. They give you so much food. It's like ridiculous. And I'm like, this is just way too much food for one person. And my husband was like, well, we could share. And I'm like, we can, but we not. Like, because I got to go back to my sweet rice later on. So later on, like, I like to take my food with me later and have something to eat. So I'm about to let y'all see. This is my sweet rice with the noodles. And I got shrimp. And I got chicken. Yes, 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 y'all. So let me see if I can position this camera so y'all can see my food a little bit better. Yes, yes. Okay, yes. So, here we go, y'all. So what we got here is my yum yum sauce. I think somebody was saying something like this is called ear sauce too. I don't know, but it's so yum yum. So I'm just gonna go with yum yum sauce. So, oh yeah, I do have some strawberry lemonade. So this is what I normally do. I normally take some of my noodles and chicken and rice, and I dip it in my yum yum sauce, y'all. Yeah. Y'all, I don't know what I do. I pour some of my yum yum sauce. Pour some on that rice. I ain't gonna pour too much because I'm not gonna be able to eat all this right now. But y'all, I pour that yum yum sauce on that rice. It's just yum yum, y'all, for real. I wouldn't lie to y'all. It's hibachi. Y'all know hibachi. Hibachi when they do the fire and stuff. They do all kind of, it's like a show. We did that today. And I mean, I like the show, but I love the sweet rice. And my husband, he be like, it's so plain. You don't have nothing on it. I'm like, you like what you like. I like what I like. So I make sure I put some sauce on. Put some of this. Can y'all see the yum yum sauce? The yum yum sauce. Y'all just I gotta get y'all some hibachi. I went to Hibachi for my birthday last year. And I was so happy. I was so happy. I was like, please, please, please. Can I get some sweet lights? I be fiending for it. And you know what? The funniest thing is, I just started liking hibachi like maybe like a year ago. I would never would have thought to go to her like a hibachi place. I'm like, because I'm such a picky eater. I'm so picky. I want to eat only certain things. Like, I'm never the type of person to try new things. I always want to just stick to what I know. I never want to try anything new. So it was different for me to try hibachi. But I am so glad. And you know what else I had tried? And I was like, this is not bad, y'all. It was sushi. I'm like, oh my God. But not the raw. Don't get it twisted. I'm not fooling with no raw sushi. But fried, like the fried rolls, they be hitting. They really be hitting. So I hope y'all don't think I'm about to eat all this. I might eat a couple more bites. And that's gonna be a wrap for me. Yes, y'all, yes. I love it. I love it. My dog, she's like, please, can I have some? Y'all see my Jack Russell? Her name is Nastasia. Nastasia Skylar. No, Skylar, you can't have none. Move. You can't have none. I can't eat nothing. Literally. I can eat nothing. I can eat nothing for Skylar. Skylar. Y'all let me eat, okay? Let me eat. I already fed you your supper. You ever had something so good and you be full? You be like, I'm gonna eat just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. So, yeah, I've been eating this plate all day. And I literally have so much. Like, I'm trying to keep it so y'all can see my food. And it seems like it's never ending. But I know my husband, he gonna go finish mine off. I'm gonna finish it off for me. Because I'm not gonna keep eating the same thing over and over again. Like, I'll go to it, like, I'll go back to it twice. And after that, that's a wrap for me. Yeah, I love this yum yum sauce. So good. Ooh, but I'm so full. I'm like so full. Skylar, you have to stop now, baby. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead on. For me to be so crazy over sweet rice, y'all, you know what? I'm sorry, but I love my sweet rice. Let's see. Hibachi. Hibachi, not sweet rice. It's sweet rice to me. That's it, y'all. Like, I can't go no more. I'm full. I'm not about to stuff myself. But, definitely check it out if y'all never been there. Like, the show is really nice. I might insert a clip. We actually were celebrating our aunt's birthday today. So, yeah. It was really nice. And the name of the place that I went to today was called Tokyo Cafe. And it was off purpose. So, yeah. Thank you all for hanging with me during my mukbang. And see you guys later.